Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I want to share with you something that many learners, they do it wrong or they get the position wrong when they are dealing with the situation I am about to explain to you. So hopefully by the end of this lesson, this won't be a problem for you because you've been watching this video and I hope you understand what I'm about to explain to you. Many learners actually they get this wrong, and it's because when they get an instruction from the examiner or from the satnav, they don't process it how they are going to do it. And this is the problem. And in any case, not just in this case, in any case, I would say that before you follow the instruction from the examiner or from the satnav, always process in your mind how you are going to do it, what you are about to do and how you are going to do it. Process it in your mind. Think what you are about to do, because this thinking is going to help you to understand and then to do the action, how you're going to do it. So say the examiner said for you to do at the end of the road, turn left, immediate right. Okay, now this is important. Immediate right, what does that mean? It means that the road you are coming from, the one you are about to go, is very close to each other. You don't have much time for you to do the turning. So you have to go slowly and you have to make sure that you have enough time to look at the mirrors, put the signal on for the new road you are about to enter. Okay, so make sure that any instruction you get from the examiner or when you are following a route, always think what you are about to do and how you are going to do it. So for example here, the problem many learners make is that examiner said for you to go at the end left and then immediate right. Okay, now here examiner said end left immediate right. You should be thinking here, I need to go left and then immediate right, which means that it's not far away. The distance is not going to be too far from the road I am coming off from. And this is important, okay? If you think that, then you will know that as I enter the new road, I need to keep my speed low because the next one is very close to the one I am coming from. Because you haven't been thinking and you haven't been processing what you're about to do, that's when the problem comes in, okay? So for example, this is your car. You want to go left, immediate right, which means I'm already thinking here, okay, I need to go left and then immediate right, meaning is very close to the next one I'm about to go. Okay, so I've looked at the top and left mirror. I've gave signal left. I went at the end of the road. There's no one coming. Okay, obviously if someone comes, you're going to stop. Say no one coming. I enter. When I enter, now I know the next one is very close. So I go to the new road. Now I look at the top and right mirror, signal right, and then I look at the front if there's someone coming. If there isn't, I will go right. And that's how you should be thinking. Now say you didn't register in your mind immediate right, then what do you think you are going to do? You are going to the end of the road, and because you haven't been thinking immediate right, you go to the end and then you go left and then, oh, the road is here. What do? You're just making it really quickly. Maybe you missed his mirrors. Maybe you didn't look at the mirrors. Maybe you missed a signal to enter because you've done it so quickly. Why? Because the road became really quickly to you. Why? Because you didn't think early. Okay? Now, if you don't think here about this immediate right, what kind of problem do you think you could face? Now, let's look at a few problems if you don't think. So if you don't think turning left immediate right and you go enter into this new road and all of a sudden you find this road here, the problem could be maybe you don't look at the mirrors, maybe you forgot to give the signal, or maybe you did look at the mirror, you did put the signal on and there's a car coming and all of a sudden you need to stop and you stop here like that. Okay? Where you should have been, you enter and you get the car straight, stop here before that car. But because you haven't been thinking, the problem now is you are facing towards that way and you're blocking the road, this road. And the other problem could be you are cutting the corner, this corner, because you are rushing. So these are the problems if you don't think early what you are about to do. So I just want to give you this example so that you know this is one of the example. But in any situation, when you get an instruction for you to follow, always remember what the examiner is saying to you. Okay? Think of the instruction you've been given for you to follow. Okay? Immediate right plays a big role. Immediate right means the one very close to. It is very close to the one you are coming from. So I just wanted to give you this example. Many learners, they get it wrong. And like I said, the reason I'm giving you this example is to wake you up for the other situations. Is when you get an instruction from an examiner, make sure you know what they're saying and process that in your mind. Play that in your mind how you are going to do it. What is the instruction I have been giving and how am I going to do that? Process that in your mind. Think what you are about to do. That way it's going to help you to do that, what you are about to do. And this is important. Many learners, they get it wrong. It's because they're not thinking in their mind. So just to recap, if the examiner said for you to go left at the end and then go immediate right or turn immediate right or take the immediate right, think early how you are going to do it. Think that the next junction I am about to go from the one I am coming from is going to be very close, which means when I enter, I'm going to keep my speed low and then I'm going to be looking at the mirrors, put the signal on and then enter. Now here, I'm just giving you an example. At the end of this road, I will be turning left and then I will be turning immediate right. So from here, I'm driving as normal, but I'm thinking quickly what I am about to do. Because if I don't think, I will enter into the road wrong way, speed too high, and maybe I'm in the wrong position, or maybe I forget to signal on, or I forget to look at the mirrors. So I am now at the end of the road. I've looked at the mirrors, I put the signal on, and I'm waiting if it's safe to enter. Now, if I look on the other side, I could see the road I need to enter, which means I know it is very close. So as I enter into the road, I need to go slowly and position myself on my side of the road. So I've entered on my side of the road, looked at the mirrors, put the signal on, and now I could see there are a lot of cars coming. Now, as you can see, I have made my car straight and I am on my side of the road. I am not in an angle and blocking the other side. If I didn't think and my speed was high, I would have ended up on the other side of the road. Now, as you can see, I am entering on my side of the road. So it's all about taking the instructions and thinking what you are about to do and think how you are going to do it, especially going left, immediate right, or left next road on the right. Many learners, they don't get the position right. They're not thinking and they don't end up on their side. They end up slightly on the other side of the road because they're not thinking what they're doing. Like here, I'm going to be going left and I will be going right. So I need to think, even though it's not immediate right, you will see the position. I still have to be on my side of the road as I enter. I looked at the mirrors, put the signal on, and then I need to be on my side of the road, make sure it's nice straight, and I'm waiting for the oncoming traffic. Okay, and this is important. You have to make sure you are on the side of the road when you wait, and then when you have the space to go in. For example, here again, at the end of this road, I will be going left, and then there will be a sharp bend towards right. So now I'm coming up to the end. I've looked at the mirrors, put the signal on, and then I see if it's safe. If it is, I need to enter into my side of the road. And as you can see, this bend is very sharp. I need to stay to my side before I make my turn. If I go too early, I will end up on the other side of the road. So it is important you think what you are about to do. I hope this helps, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And please do make a comment what you think of the video, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.